So, as always, there's something pretty cool happening with the Big Slick. If you go to the link below and make a donation to Children's Mercy Hospital, you will be entered to win your very own Tesla Model 3 with a trunk full of junk.
Hey y'all, I just finished my first day back, season 8 of Arrow, and I'm so excited to share this season with you all. There is some really, really epic stuff coming your way, and can't wait for you guys to come back to 2040.
Big Slickers, and let me tell you, some of this junk is pretty cool. Take a look at it. Today is the last day to donate and support this incredible organization. Thank you so much.
And with that, I have to head to my gate. Thank you so much for spending the morning with me. I would fangirl so hard. I love Jimmy Fallon.
Hey waiters, so you know that I will do everything in my power to be at these cons for you guys, but unfortunately the Arrow shooting schedule is such that it can't be moved, and I will not be there this weekend. I really apologize.
Guess what? I am taking over the TV Guide Instagram for a little bit before the Green Arrow and Canaries pilot airs tonight. So jump over to their page for some fun content, and I'll be back soon.
Yes. Getting it.
Are you shimmy?
Getting it. I don't know what, I'm trying to think of other boots. On a frag.
My world is complete. This is my table.
Thank you so much. You're so great.
Now you can have 2 other people.
Love families.
Hey.
Shimmy that. Oh, shimmy that.
Hey. Oh, on the frag.
You guys!
Lana! Be my Valentine. Mwah! To all the Lanas I've loved before, you're the only one. Titanic remake. I'm in. Let's do it. Harry, you up for it?
Maya, you called it.
Do I have to shimmy too?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn it, Willa.
Never have I ever refused to kiss. No. I have never refused to kiss. Jordan. You're John Ambrose now, so this is only fitting. So much love to you, my dear. And congratulations. Never have I ever. I have kissed my best friend, but usually at work. Is that weird? That's not weird. That's what I do for a living. Never have I ever. I feel like I have. Yeah.
Glass slipper, baby. Yes, we would. Because we would learn from his past mistakes. 2 people can't fit on a raft. That's all I have to say. I'm Katherine McNamara. I play Mia Smoke on Arrow. I believe everyone should be celebrated, and no one should be bullied for being who they are. So I stand with LGBTQ youth on Spirit Day, and every day. I hope you'll stand with me.